Hey everyone, it's Greta from Attention Insight. Today we will look at two versions of the same poster and we will see which one is designed better in terms of attracting more viewers' attention. Here I have pictures of two versions of a poster of London Transport that is part of thousands of posters in the collection of the London Transport Museum. In the past, London's transport posters were each designed in a distinctive way, with an illustration and the text being incorporated in the poster. However, these days, all the posters for London Transport have a different illustration, but the text layout remains the same. This is what they would have looked like if the current design rules were applied to the old London Transport posters. The left-hand side shows the original, and the right shows what the same poster would look like if it was designed today. The illustration depicts a mass of people jumping out of their cars and buses and rushing to the underground station. The poster has a title underneath saying "The Lure of the Underground." The word "Underground" is in black rectangle, bold letters and bigger font size. The second version of the poster has a white translucent rectangle with a blue color text on it. The text is the same as the initial poster, but it also has a descriptive sentence underneath with the poster purchasing place and the year of publishing. What is more, the red rectangle below also has some text in white capital letters, Mayor of London and the Transport for London logo. I will generate a heat map and will check the performance of both posters. The warmest color suggests that the word underground gets more attention in the newer version of the poster. However, the underground symbol in this illustration is one of the objects that received the most viewers' attention in both of the posters. All things considered, even though the performance of both posters is similar, the newer version of the poster attracts more viewers' attention to the required area. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos.